Imagine if we could jump like kangaroos. Powerful, effortless leaps that send us soaring through the air. With their strong hind legs, kangaroos can cover over 30 feet in a single bound. If we had that ability, our daily commutes would transform into exhilarating hops across city blocks. Think about it, skipping traffic jams, leaping over fences, and bounding through parks. Our fitness levels would skyrocket too. Jumping like a kangaroo engages multiple muscle groups, making workouts feel like playtime. Plus, we need to rethink our architecture. No more stairs, just ramps and trampolines. The world would be a playground, where gravity feels like a suggestion rather than a rule.